Today we're looking at the Gemini jets, British Airways Boeing 777 or 777-300ER in 1/400 scale. As you can see, this model comes in a nice presentation box, which has an image of the model on the front. As you can see, this is identical to the plane found inside. It has the model of the plane, once again the Boeing 777, and the airline, British Airways. Moving on to the back of the box, we have some information about what a Gemini jet is, as well as another image of the plane, this time from the other side. Once again, moving back to the front, we can lift up the window, and you can see the plane inside, so you can look at the plane very nicely without having to take it out, so you can have it on display like this if you so chose. And then on the lid, we have some information, such as here we have a little history of the Boeing 777-300ER, as well as some specification information, such as length, height, and wingspan in feet and inches. And there's some other information you may like to know, such as max takeoff weight, cruising speed, range, and things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a look at the actual model itself. There you go, looks very nice. And there you have it, the Boeing 777-300ER. It's a very nice, highly detailed die-cast metal model. Now let's look at some of these details. Let's start with the wings. And you can see things like the flaps and the ailerons very nicely detailed here. And on here you can see the raked wingtips of the 300ER. See the very nice detailed jet engines here, looking very nice, a couple of different angles. Let's move on to the stabilizers at the back with the tail, and you can see the rudders and the elevators on the horizontal and vertical stabilizers. Moving to the underside, you can see we've got very nice detailed landing gear, and they move so they can dangle, hang as they appropriately do. And they've also got movable rollable wheels on both sets of the landing gear. And underneath you can see on the wing we actually have the registration here, which is GSTBH, but that's also written right here. And you can also see here we've got written Boeing 777, the model of the plane, a little Royal Mail stamp, and of course the classic British Airways livery all across this plane. Got the logo, the name, got a nice little royal seal. Let's move to looking at the front of the plane. And let's turn it around so you can see the other side, so you can see the detail runs all across this lovely plane. Now this is the 777, which is the largest twin jet airliner in the world. It's also the most widely built as well, so it's quite an iconic plane. Now this plane has a wingspan of about 16.2 centimeters and it's about 18.5 centimeters long, so it's on a very nice size, and it's on the larger size of 1/400 scale models, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.